The following message is being transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. This is not a test. A very hazardous, unexplainable phenomenon is occurring, and your life is in grave danger at this time. Multiple deaths and missing people have been reported throughout the entire state of California. These strange reports seem to be linked with the sky suddenly transforming into a threatening red color. According to the National Phenomenon Investigation Agency, this is known as the red light, green light phenomenon, and they have provided instructions on how to survive this event. If at any time the sky around you suddenly turns a bright red color without any explanation, do not move. You must stand completely still until the sky goes back to normal. Failure to comply will result in an almost instant, unavoidable death. As previously stated, this anomaly can happen at any time, so remain on high alert at all times. When the red light, green light phenomenon is active, do not attempt to help those who have failed the event, as it will only lead to your death. It is unknown how long this event will last, though an all clear will be publicly broadcast when the event has concluded. Good luck and God bless you.